Hey guys, it's Kate, and today I will be doing a review of MozArt Dual Brush Pens. So some time ago I got this box. It's a set of 12 brush pens by MozArt, and I actually didn't have time to use them, but now I decided that I need to give it a go, and here is what I think about them. So the set consists of 12 brush pens. They have two tips, one on each end. One is a brush and the other one is a very fine detail, like fineliner that you can use for detail work. And I got mine, I think, off Amazon, and I paid $13.99. I looked online and it's still the same price, although it's stricken out the £18.99. But on their website you can also buy these for $13.99, so I think that's the price without any discount. It's just there, yeah, on Amazon. It's just there to make you buy them. The first thing I did, I made a color swatch. Please forgive my dirty hands. I had painted a painting earlier with them, and yeah, they are very, very staining on hands. So if you have to go out or, I don't know, show your hands to anyone, don't use the markers before that. I tried washing it out. I think the only thing I didn't try was bleach. So yeah, but as I was saying, I made a color swatch first, and I really love how vibrant these colors are. Very beautiful, and the pigments are very saturated, and when you drag them out with water, you get so much pigment on your water brush. It's crazy. I really love that fact, because when I was painting the dog, later you will see the shepherd, it was very nice how much you could actually color with just using that spot of paint. So I wanted to show you also a couple of techniques that you can use them with, and the first one is the gradient. It's actually on their website and also on the screenshots on Amazon. You can see the gradient with two colors, so it's the basic technique, and it's very easy to do. You just put two spots of different colors and then connect it with water and make a gradient, so drag out the pigment from both sides. I also wanted to say that when I was reading about these brush pens, is that they are not toxic, which is very nice, so you can allow your kids to use them. My little one, she was crazy for them. She had to have them. So yeah, it's a nice thing to know. And yeah, another technique is to put two tips together and hold them vertically. So this way the pigment is going to seep into the tip of the second marker, and then you will be able to create a gradient that way. And depending on how long you hold them in that position, that much pigment you will have seeped into the marker, into the tip of the brush pen. It's not the marker, but yeah, watercolor brush pen. A minus that I would say is that the pens don't have the actual color name on them, nor the pigment that they consist of. I was looking for light fastness information. I didn't find that, but they position their products, MozArt positions their products as high quality artist grade, so yeah, let's hope that they are light fast. I need to see how that goes. And as I was saying, there's no color names on the markers themselves, there's just the brand name, so it's not an issue if you have only 12 of them. You can't buy these markers one by one individually, but you can buy a set. I have a set of 12, and there's also a set of 24, so you have quite a selection of colors. In the set of 12, as you see, there are two yellows, two blues, two greens, then a red and a pink, and brownish. But the colors are very nice, and you can actually mix them together. Speaking of mixing, I used a palette and I placed one color onto the palette. As it's plastic, it's not gonna soak up the pigment like paper does, and then I picked it up with my other marker, and it kind of picked up the pigment, so you can create gradients that way as well. Or I'm gonna do this again with the red and yellow so you can see it better. What else did I want to say about them? Yeah, as I said, the colors are very beautiful. I really love them, and hopefully they are light fast. I have to contact them about that, just to see. And yeah, the most issues that I had is the box, because if you want to store them in their box, then it's not gonna work. You will have to buy, like, I have a pencil case and I just kept the box to show you guys how they look. But yeah, also I wanted to say that I was surprised by how much pigment you actually manage to get onto your brush and how long you can go with the same picked up pigment. It's very nice. If you're working on a larger piece, you can cover a large area with the same with the pigment that you picked up from the same spot. The other thing is that I had to constantly clean out my water brush, because it does get saturated so much with the pigment, which is kind of good, but on the other hand, you have to clean it up all the time and make sure that it's clean if you're using it on a lighter area, for example, or don't want your other color to be polluted with another pigment. So yeah, this is what I think about these brush pens. I really loved how fine the other tip is, although I didn't use it, but I think in the future I'm gonna try out and see how that's gonna work. Also, another technique you can use is loading your brush directly from the marker, and you can see how long the color actually lasts, and I didn't hold it that long. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with what I got for that amount of money, and this is in no way paid commercial of these brush pens or anything. It's just my own thoughts, and just wanted to share with you one more water-soluble medium as watercolor. So yes, I will also show you the demonstration of me painting a dog with these markers, and I'm really satisfied, really. So if you have any ideas about other products you would like me to review, or if you have any questions, do leave me a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, then click like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!